So meet Pranav Rathi from Fanshawe College. Hi, Pranav.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. So, Pranav, tell us something about the employment-related support that you guys are so well known for at Fanshawe College for students.
So at Fanshawe College this year, the employment rate has been the highest, 90.4%. And yes, it's thanks to the services that we provide to the students. Just like to share that we have a specific workshop even before the students they start their program called as Fanshawe Works. It goes on for 4 days. And what we do is we assist all the students in applying for jobs, or just let them know that how exactly you can look for right jobs for yourself. So that's how it starts, and then later on the career services come into play, and then they assist all the students in getting a job. So that is the reason why majority of the students they find themselves in a related industry after their graduation.
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah,
No wonder students talk so highly about you guys.
thank you.
What about the new programs that you're offering?
So there are a few new programs at the postgraduate level I would like to talk about. There's a new program called as Healthcare Administration that is for 2 years. So finally, we have got a 2 years postgrad program in health, only for international students. So that's going to start in this September. A couple of IT programs, information technology infrastructure, and technical systems analysis. These are the three major programs that we have incorporated this September, and educational support worker in Woodstock campus as well. So these are the four new programs that we are going to start. And really happy to say there's one more program called Culinary Management that would be taught at the Oakwood Resort in Grand Bend. Grand Bend is this amazing little place very close to London, which is known for its freshwater beaches. And students will have the first-hand opportunity to work in a resort while studying.
That's
So
amazing. Wow.
yeah, yeah.
So, for the health health related program, any specific entry requirements?
So we would be looking at health-related background. So students with some kind of clinical background. Uh,
So, medical doctors also?
yes, doctors as well, plus IELTS or 6.5, no less than 6. That is what we're looking at.
Oh, that brings me to the next question. IELTS is something where students are not able to take right now. So, any substitutes?
So as of now, we have talked about Duolingo a lot, but we have not come to a conclusion whether to take it or not. However, we are still talking about IELTS indicator that can be considered eventually. And even once the student takes the IELTS, then they'll be able to come in, but we'll be able to give out the offer letter on the basis of IELTS indicator. Uh, but at this point of time, I would like to share that if the student doesn't hold the TRF and only has the online copy of files, we are still accepting it.
Okay,
So, yeah.
all right. And any updates on the September intake, Pranav?
So at this point of time, September intake is will go on as planned, because Canada seems to be recovering at a very good pace as compared to any other country, and there will be more seats that would be allotted because many of our May students would be moved to September, and we have to cater to the September new students as well. So all good news would be coming very soon from Fanshawe.
So, there will be seats available for September intake as of now, right?
Absolutely. So we are going to reopen multiple programs by end of this week, and at undergrad and postgrad level as well. And because we have just sorted our May intake students first, and now we'll be concentrating completely on September intake students.
So, CanAm's counselors will be able to help students with these programs and the new seats that are going to be opening up.
Absolutely. Canem has been an amazing support to Fanshawe. I think since the time Fanshawe started their office here in India, and they've been a continuous support to us. And words can't describe how amazing they've been. So I'm pretty sure they will be able to help all the students to come to Fanshawe easily after this.
Thank you. And any extensions that you're giving as far as the tuition fee payment is concerned?
Yes. So at Fanshawe, you are supposed to pay a $2,300 deposit in a way to block the seat. Earlier, the extension used to be 2 weeks after paying the deposit, but now we are giving blanket extension till 10th of June. So yeah, that is an update here. And of course, even if you're unable to pay your $2,300 or a full year's tuition fee, you can still write to us for an extension. just looking at the seats availability, then we will take a decision and let you know whether you can get an extension or not. But majority of the programs would still be open.
Oh, there's so much of good news, Pranav, for all the Indian students.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And I'm sure the students would have enjoyed listening to you and they'll all apply very quickly now.
Thank you so much for having me today.